So a few years back, I made a Texas Chainsaw Massacre style wind chime with bones from a rotisserie chicken and dental floss. Today I received in the mail a little taxidermied skull that I ordered off of Amazon that I'm going to add to the wind chime, and here's how I did it. So after removing the skull from the box, I realized that it was in 3 pieces with a rubber band holding the 2 jaw bones together. So I hot glued the front of the jaw together before removing the rubber bands, let it go, and it stayed in place pretty well. Then I removed the rubber bands and redid the hot glue and held it up and made sure that the jaw line was in perfect alignment. Next, I hot glued the jaw into the skull where it would normally attach. Then after putting a couple of little drops on the 2 front teeth, mounting them together, it came out pretty strong. Next, it was time to loop the dental floss around the top of the wind chime and then hot glue it to the skull. After finding the center of gravity in the skull so that it would hang properly, I then strung the dental floss through a natural crack in the skull and then hot glued it in place. Then after all of the hot glue was thoroughly cooled, this was the finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.